Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I'm sending text messages to my customers and to my team. So I wanted to show you guys how I set that up through this amazing new application. You're going to need to go to shout.app, www.shout.app, and create an account here. I actually have a referral link for this in the description below, so make sure you use that link when you sign up. When you guys sign up with my link, you're going to get a 7-day free trial so you can try out this program and let me know what you think. You're going to create an account and sign in. Now, this already has like my stats and stuff. I have some messages I need to reply to, but this is so handy for contacting your customers and keeping in touch with everyone. You can create groups, which is how you send out like blast text. You can text your customers through the inbox and follow up with them. You can set up bots. You can schedule outposts, whether that's a group or a individual message. There are templates that you can create and use, and then of course the bot. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set up a bot. I'm going to do it right here live for you guys. The first thing I'm going to actually do is go here to groups and create a new group. So I have my VIP customers, I have my team, which I have not sent out this sign up link yet, and then we're gonna do YouTube. That's you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to bots. I'm gonna click new bot. I'm gonna skip the bot guide, but if you guys have any questions, you can always use this to help set it up. Okay, here I'm gonna name this one YouTube, and I'm gonna make it a text service. So my trigger word is YouTube. The trigger word is what they're gonna text you to start the bot. This is gonna add them to a group. We wanna add them to YouTube. Okay, so the welcome message is gonna be, hey, it's Victoria. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I'll be sending out links to new videos through text 2 times a month. I need to ask you a few questions to set this up. Okay, so always the bot is going to ask, if you don't have them in your system, what's your first and last name and what's your email. You could assign a topic to it. This would be more of a customer service action, so I'm not actually doing this. The final response is going to be what it ends with. So I'm going to say something like, all right, you're all set up. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. And then I'm going to auto mark it done because that conversation is over. I probably don't have any other questions to ask them because this is a group. So I'm going to click save here. Now, if you guys want to see exactly how this works, you can text the number in the description below, which is my customer service number. Text YouTube to this number, and you're going to see exactly how the bot works from your end. So let me know in the comments below if you signed up for this bot. You can always unsubscribe at any time, but I'm going to be using this to update my subscribers because we all know that you don't always get notifications whenever new YouTube videos come out. So this is going to be info on new videos, giveaways, stuff like that. So if you want to use this for your customers, whether you are with Senegence or maybe you're with another company or you own a boutique or a salon, this is an amazing resource. Like, I've made sales in my sleep with this, taking a nap, driving my car when I normally wouldn't be able to communicate with a customer. So this is a game changer. And remember that you guys are going to get that 7-day free trial when you use my link to sign up. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think and let me know if you want to see more videos like this.